Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. I hope you like the Valentine tree I made. Enjoy. Hi, I'm showing you the different ribbons I got. The gingham ribbon, the burlap ribbon, the little burlap ribbon, the heart picks, heart scatter, and one of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees that I had left over. And I'm just going to put those stands away, and I'll take the bottom off. Feeling to see if it's warm. In the meantime, I'm just fluffing the tree out. Okay, now I had one of the little galvanized buckets from Dollar Tree, putting some foam in there, fit just right, poking a hole in, putting some glue in, and I'm shoving the tree down as far as I can get it. And I should have done it backwards. Or I did it backwards. I should have done it the right way and put the burlap on first, but as I decided I wanted to cover up the wording. Put in a little more hot glue. And I'm gluing it down now. Decided that'd look a little cuter if I put some of the decorative ribbon on. So I'm putting the burlap ribbon with the hearts on. Still can see some of the words, so I'm going to add a little bit more ribbon. Now I'm going to add some ribbon to the top of the burlap. And that will cover up the words nicely. And if I had any fingernail polish, it would have been better just to take fingernail polish to it and see if I could wipe the words off of it, but I don't have any. I go somewhere to get my nails done. I don't do them myself. Gluing down the last part of it. Now I'm opening up the gingham, the red gingham ribbon, and I'm going to use that as a wraparound. Of course, as you can see, I am taking the gingham ribbon and using it as a garland and wrapping it around. I just wanted it real simple and nothing fancy to it. And I think this gingham ribbon is just cute. Put it on my finger protectors. And just adjusting the ribbon. Okay, now I'm going to open up the picks and the scatter and use it to decorate the tree. What I did was I bent the front of the branch over just a little bit and then glued the scatter to it. See how I bent that over? Now I'm just adding a touch of glue, and this will be a permanent Valentine tree, so I can just put it away and pull it out next year. Sorry, it's out of shot, but I'm adding some of the picks. I'm taking them off the pick and I'm just adding them by where the trunk of the tree is, just tucking them inside. Adding more scatter, the pink and the red. I like the mix of the two colors. I'm just putting it around in random order. No pattern to it. Okay, I'm starting to make the bow. Oop, knocked it out. Sorry. Want some long tails coming down. And I do okay with making bows, but not the greatest. But if you want to see how to make some bows, there are some really fabulous people on, like Olivia's Romantic Home, a lot of other people that are really good at making bows. I'm just making a real simple one. And there's my tree all done. Hope you'd enjoy. Bye.